Let's get a mic check. 1 2 1 2. Mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check, mic check. 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Looks good here. How you doing? How you doing? I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking. Anyone remember that commercial? I believe it was a Budweiser commercial, if I'm not mistaken. Do, 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 do. There he is. What's happening, everybody? All right, I got a 2150 target. I got a 2151R, 2552R. $21.75, sorry. I want the right stop in there. Keeping it underneath that pinprick. 2 minute got ahead of itself. Goes. Does it make it down in there, or does the 8 catch up and then white go above blue? How's everybody doing today? All right, let's hope you're doing good. All right, starting at the largest time frame. I mean, we had a complete reversal, and so is this the draw on liquidity or not? Um, Now, one thing that I want to point out is we're in this fair value gap closest to the breaker block. So you have one of these fair value gaps inside of a breaker block. What do they do with it? What do they do with it? We're gonna find out. We are wide range. Momentum is pointing down. Sweep the leg is 1325. Right here in about 11 minutes, we've got non-farm payrolls. Look at 2 hour. Look at 63.1250 on the 2 hour. Okay, look at, oh my God. Look at this trap. Joey, are you here? Are you here yet? Did you shoot good last night? Did you shoot last night? March checking in from Bali. Stop. Let's go. Nine minutes until non-farm payrolls here. Look at how fast they cut through this. I can't live if living is without you. I won't live. 1750 sweep the leg, 1R. 1750 sweep the leg, 1R. If living is without you. Hmm. Um, that let's see, that is the 15. That's the 1 hour. Okay. Kid Icarus over here. Kid Icarus over here, baby. Kid Icarus. Stopped at 1325, right where I got in. Let's go. Flying way too close to the sun there, kid. One tick Rick from my leg sweep, 1R. Here comes the last 5 minute buy program, sell program. Let's see it. Ooh, they sold it. No fill, 1750. Here it comes. Ramming speed, Zulu. Bids and offers are going to start thinning out here, folks. If you are not rehearsed in what's about to happen, please stand by. Come on, win. Out. I'm not messing with this. There's no reason to. It hit my sweep target, and I didn't get filled. All right, so folks, the level I'm watching, um, 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 that level, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. I mean, it really does look like they're about to sell the shit out of this thing, but that's the perfect time for them to sweep. That's the perfect time for you to just sit back, relax, and let the price action do the talking. Chill, B. Chill, B. Let it do its thing, B. I can't live if living is without you. Mm, 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 mm. Dos minutos. Can't live. Nick, you've got 1 minute 20 seconds till non-farm payroll. You got dynamite in your freaking thing. There's the 1750s. Man, I should have held. I'm kidding. I'm absolutely kidding. I'm absolutely kidding. Here we go. 1 minute. Uno minutos. Minutos. Por favor. So the trader's right. Just timing is off, right? Yeah, you don't want to be anything could have happened. This thing could have slipped 30 points right before the bell. Here we go. Here we go. Look at the bids and offers go to single digits. Here we go. 40 seconds, everybody. Lock in. Do not take a trade. There's no reason to, right? Seriously. Like don't, look, the guys that are going to type in the chat, "Oh, I got this, got that." Bullshit. Bullshit. Algorithms are off. How do we know the algorithms are off? How do we know the algorithms are off? Oh, okay. All right. So the algorithms are off, right? So here we go. Okay, very first move is going to be what you're looking for. Does it go up or down? Watch. Okay, we're at 17. Okay, we went 10. We went 0 even. Okay, so the first move's down. First move was down. And boy, was it down. Okay, watching to see if they break the 99s. Because you've got 96 and 75 below if it goes. They might have to repair that nasty sword handle there. 12 is the over under on the 2 hour. We got a nasty 2 minute yucky yuck. We're at 15-minute 09s. 45 minutes of Charlie Foxtrot. You're in so much noise here. It's disgusting. Do they break through the noise and get through the 6250s today? Or do they go back above noise above 6371? Or do they stay in noise between 5260 and 63.59. Big sell signal. I want to see if they have a breakdown. If they get through the 00 evens, I want to see if they have a breakdown before I take any sort of 51 leverage. I don't mind having a micro short on this pink bar. 94. 94. 94. 30-second snake. 'You're like, you take a whiskey drink, you take a vodka drink, you take a tonic drink. You sing the songs that remind us of the good times. You sing the songs that remind us of the better times. Jobs numbers revised from 147 to 14. Oops. So now, does the market go up because they think it's going to be lower? And that's a better way to have lower interest rates. That'd be the only reason they would think the market is going to go up, not down, right? Ooh, white goes under blue. Ooh, I'm gonna get stopped. It was looking so good. Oh no. There's no way they just did that. There's no fucking way. New rule. If there's a snake above me, I'm not allowed to short. Oh man. It's gonna give a big fucking buy signal that I'm not gonna take. There ain't no fucking way I'm buying up here. Ain't no fucking way I'm buying up here. You guys can suck it. Ain't no way I'm buying up here. Fucking way. Thank you. Replay the DJ AM Tech. DJM Tech just subscribed. Thank you. Thank you. That was a replay. Bing bong. If they get through 12, it's 7 quickly, right? Am I reading that correctly? I was trying to add 17.25, 21.75 stop. Or sweep the leg at 21.75 even. That would be a nice play too. But they're leaning into the bid here. 12.75 would be my target. So if it gets down there before I get my 17.25, I'm just going to kill it. I've got 7.25 in trail. 30-second snake is about to get ignored. Is that possible? I don't know if that's possible. I think it brings it right back up into the old 17er. If it fails, it's gonna turn the red down. Oh, so then you're gonna hear Joey in your head. What's the quickest way that they can turn it in order? Push red straight down. Trap all the weak players with them thinking the moving averages are going to go up. Right now, at the same time, all the people that think the price is going to go down, the snake is upwards. So we got to be careful. All right, so there's 12.75. Got to cancel the add order. I wasn't quick enough. Actually, I was waiting for the bar to close, and they pushed it lower. So 12.25 on the 2 minute chart is my over under. No, I take that back. It's actually 13.25. Watching if we break 12s, I'm watching sevens. On my 2 hour. Joey, you see the 2 hour? Look at this. Second snake fed. 1 hour too, Joey. But then the clarity shows right back up in the 2 hour. Because your 5 minutes, Charlie Foxtrot down to 75 as well, right? So are they hunting 75 or are they holding 12? 12 on the 2 minutes, actually, it's actually 13.25 there. So on the 2 minutes, 13.25 over under, excuse me. 15-minute first red. Excuse me, not first red, but a beautiful red touch. Look at the actual red touch. Deutschland, 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 Deutschland. Okay, so Charlie Foxtrot on the 45. Trying to make a decision whether 10 a red on the 5 minutes going to hold or not. Here we go. Got about 4 minutes to my favorite time of the morning. In the snake on the two. Yep. Watching O7s. I am short. I'm short from 17.25. Close to that bar. Close to that big red bar. Mr. Zach has taught me well. If you see a big red bar, short it. First target would be 725, and then I have a trail. I was risking $1,000 in this trade. I am still risking $1,000 on this trade. We're going big. We're going to go home. Come to Butthead. Okay, 725 out. 725 out. One left. Free trade. Let's go. 10 points. I'm not talking. Yeah, no, I'm here. I'm here. I'm drawing my 30-second CS. If it looks like my lips are moving, my meds give me cotton mouth, and I'm licking my lips. I'm not really talking that much, but I'm kidding. I'm absolutely just kidding. I'm marking my lines on my 30-second charts, fam, because I don't have the trading view, and I haven't signed up for the trading view that has 30-second times on it. Because I'm a cheap ass. And for some reason, they're not giving, when you guys are signing up for it, they are not giving me credit for it. When you guys use my thing there, those bastards. Can we get through the eights and just carry on, please? So far, a lot of work that I see says, and tell me if I'm wrong, a lot of the work that I see says 6360. Why do I keep seeing that number? That be the number I be seeing in my sleep. Ooh, anyone know that reference? That was a good one. Good. Nope, no, I'm not muted. Joey. Got him. Got him. Happy Friday, everybody. Happy Friday. Oh man, that is funny. That song is funny. I don't want to whistle in the microphone, but that song is funny. Oh, it's time. Oh, it's way past time, folks. I've been marking charts in this trade for 76 years. I have just been reminded it's about that time, folks. Let's go ahead and get the full camera going. Let me see if I can do this correctly here. Cam scene. Nope. Full screen. Oh, there we go. One. Oh yeah. All right. Follow us on x.com. The under at the underscore sage FT. Let's go ahead and get them up in the air, folks. Today, again, folks, this is going to be for pops. This is going to be for pops. And I want everyone to have a wonderful weekend. I want to remind you at any point and time, they can be gone. I want to remind you guys of that. So, what are you actually trading for? Because let me tell you something. If it's money, you're in the wrong place. If it's for something else, we can help you. It's gonna be a cheers, everybody. Cheers. Cheers. And I am short, so I'm going to put the green button out there. Go back to full screen. Oh, it worked. Ooh, transitioned perfectly, Eli. Good. What are my targets? Oh, 0325 from the 09er. Zulu 09er. How did we know? Okay, one of the stops has to come down. 0875 on one of the stops, leaving the other one, leaving my core stop alone. Free trade on the scalp from 09. Let's get that 0325 out, please. Let's get another 6 points in the frickin' bag. Let's do this. Do it. What does he say? Captain and Coke. Captain and Coke. Do it. Do it. Anyone know what that movie's from? What movie that's from? Captain and Coke. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. And I have a trailer. I don't have a target because, folks, if you look at the 4-hour chart, what did they do? Let's look. 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 They not only did they give you a fair value gap, they gave you an effing gap. Okay. Not only did they give you an inversion, they gave you an effing inversion, right? Look, Gappertino tried the Gappertino, failolino. Oino. Let's go. I hope I moved the right stop down. We're gonna find out when it hits my targ. Oh, you two ticking Rick and one ticking Rick bastard. No. Oh no. Buyer at 05. Let's see if he gets snuffed or if he gets paid. I got to keep my stop out of the way. I can't. I can go 850. I can go 850. That's a big stop. Because if 05 splits, yeah, see, they gotta sell that. They gotta sell that. Sell it. Take that 15-minute bar and shove it. Go. One more seller. Where's Marcelo? Where's Marcelo? Where's Marcello? No, get out of there. Get out of there, 05. Get out of there, 05. Kick rocks. Sell them. Remove the bid. Shawshank Redemption. He says, Chicago, you're out of here. And he looks at him and goes, go on. Get. Oh, man. That movie just gets me. If they break sixes, there's stops. There's real tight stops right there. Watch. Come on, you one ticking Rick and little booger. You one ticking Rick and booger. I'm trailing Cam. There we go. It said order canceled. Yep, it canceled the right one. Good. All right, we're cooking with gas now, Folketons. Ladies and gentlemen, in the Buellnox accounts, does it have the weird rules that you can only make X number of dollars per day in the evals? I can't find it. I can't find that information. I'm struggling to get it. Close. Along Came Polly's really close, 40%. Okay, and I got to get 30. Okay, so I can make what's 40%? It's like 1,080, right? Okay, so 40% of 3,000. 3,000 times 40% is. Hey Siri, what's 40% of 3,000? I might have to hit close. 1,200. Good. Okay, so that means I have to put my target right down here at the Unos. Got it. Thank you. Starsky and Hutch. Let's go. Yes. That's enough, Manetti. Damn it, He says, damn it, Starsky. That's a hand towel. The regular towels are on the bottom. Oh my God. Oh no. All right. So now G Man's trade could be setting up on the deuce deuce. Nikes. Okay. So that means my stop has to go down. Where did I enter? I entered at 1725. So I got to put my stop at like 18. Yeah. I have no choice but to move her down. Move her down. Nothing to see here, folks. So now my line in the sand is 05. Above it, I think they're buying it or trying to prop it up. Below it, they're either accumulating to push it up or they're going to smack it up, flip it, rub it down. Oh no. Uh oh. Uh oh. I can't get it to 03. I can't. Uh, uh, I got to close. Yeah, Buell knocks. So I can make 1,200. All right, so there's 1,110. There's 1,110 on that move down. After listen. After being read $400. Okay, plus 1138 minus however many contracts traded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 contracts. So I think they charge like $5. So $25, $20 out of that. So I just did like 1110, 1115. Okay, good. What else do I need to do? Does anyone else need any help with anything? Yeah. You have 200 at. Ooh, ooh, oh no! I'm gonna take a FOMO walk. I'll still be here. I'm chilling. We'll just pop into the next account. But that, mwah, mwah. Magnifico, magnifico. Good, 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 good. He shoots, he scores.
Oh, I get what you're saying. I got it from here, guy. Wink. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Why won't you listen to me?
I will trade my live account when the market opens. And I will go for 10, 12 ticks, 10 or 12 points, and we'll vacate. FOMO man just told me to kick rocks, though. You guys understand that? Okay.
Just setting up, loading on my charts right now. Just drop my daughter off at camp.
2.0. 2.0 is the answer.
2.0. Let's go. And I'm a winner. I win. Morning, boys. Cam, what's going on, Cam?
Yo, good morning.
Hey, Cam.
What's going on, guys?
2.0.
You guys been short all night?
I'm actually just now turning on my Ninja Trader, actually. I didn't trade last night. I just dropped my daughter off to camp, and I just got back to my computer, so trying my levels now.
Yeah. Double test of 01. Nice.
Looks like it was a good night for the sellers.
Yeah.
Live.
Oh, yeah.
What's up, Mr. Woods?
I love the term snake.
Thank you. Don't go anywhere.
Oh, 7.
It's very good.
Yeah,
Yeah.
90.
I think I'm gonna buy little mini trampolines,
I can hear
because I need to bounce the thing.
you.
Yeah,
Is that what you do?
yeah.
Why for
Thing is,
lunch?
I have 9150 below. Oof.
Vibrator.
It says that the vibrator doesn't, it works, but needs the seeing.
Okay.
Wow.
Only like 40, 50 bucks.
Yeah, I know. No, get a good one.
Good morning, Miss Harrison.
Just saying hello.
Hello? Good morning.
That's big.
Good morning.
G-Man. G-Man, Cam, and Rev. Rev sent you a care package.
Yeah, it'll be there Tuesday.
Oh.
He's probably on Code Brown right now.
He's busy walking around the lake.
Yeah.
What is that? 95 or even. What do you have for numbers, Cam?
Well, I mean, 99 was a nice entry, but I have 9175 below, and it's kind of like, to me, you already did like a reversal pattern, but look, you see, they're gonna keep selling this shit, man.
Yeah, because 00 even gives you 96, and 96 give you 62.77. So
Oh,
I'm,
yeah.
I'm short biased right now, but I'm not in a trade. I just logged in, so I know Zach's short.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, but the thing is, everyone's short biased. That is the thing. Check it out.
Red bars.
Yep, sell it. Red bars.
All right. 9150. Let's see what happens there.
Don't catch it, Kim. Don't catch it. 96.
Oh, no. You crazy? No way.
96.
Look.
Unless they set the trap right here. 96, 76.
Listen, like, calling the bottom is 1.0. So
That's right.
no. I'm going to wait. But man, that's a nice long.
Nice long.
No, look.
Thank you. Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows, lower low.
Yeah. Let's see. Let's look at Joey's chart. See what's going on there.
I like it. When I walk up to the chart like this and we bleeding, I like it. That tells me I have a big. That tells me I'm going to win today. Well, I'm winning today. I won already. I just need an entry so I can zip them up.
Oh. Aggressive.
Minute. 50 seconds. This 95 break, it's gonna break a little hard.
Okay. Looking at Joey's chart.
This 95 break, Cam, it's a big break.
What's the next Mancini? Mancini says 84, right? Next up, next down.
84. I don't know. I haven't looked at it.
Yeah, he has that.
Let's see.
Next down. Oh man. 91.50.
62.84 below. What did I say I had? I had 77. I didn't even know.
Ooh.
60.01, 98 for the second time. Yeah. And 95 was weak.
Liked it.
84. 84. 75. What the hell? We are going to 84, Kim. Don't blink.
84. Wow. Okay.
84.
Okay. I like it.
You see a 15-minute?
Checking.
I'm gonna make it real simple for you. Look at your 15-minute, and
So we just grab that liquidity.
yes, but don't look at it like that yet. Supply, demand, supply. Don't look at it like that yet, because if you close below that 95, you see your previous low at 95.
Yeah.
That will break the structure. So that's bears confirming to you that we're going lower. I'm gonna send you a picture.
Right.
Just keep it simple. Like, don't try and complicate shit. Like, just look at the structure, look at what the supply and demand is. If it closed below that, I'm looking to get in the supply zone at this little box right here I just sent you. That's it. And just put your risk on and you let it go.
See.
You see it? I just sent it to you right here. That's the 15-minute. But you can do that on any time frame. 15, 5, 10, 30 range, whatever. You just find the structure. Once they break it, you wait for the block to get filled.
That's a new point of control, right? It's kind of like your block.
Yes.
You're gonna wait.
Because that's where, as you see that the buyer is trying to buy it and the seller's just dumping. So that's where the move started.
Right. Yeah.
But it's only valid if you can close under the low. But if they reclaim that 95 before that 15-minute bar close, that whole trade is invalidated. That means buyers back in control because bears couldn't confirmed.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Right.
Oh, Zach, that's clean. That's clean, Zach. So I just copy and paste the newsletter and put it in or just the levels in Graph.
No, all I do is go into Grok and I just say, what's my prompt? I use the same prompt every day. I just say create a trading battle plan. Last 6 adamant trader Twitter posts.
That's clean.
Easy. Very nice.
Let me see if this copy and paste well, but
Where's Mr. Woods? By the river? Oh, he's not at his chair. All right, look at this, Cam. Now look at your 5 minute. Because obviously your 5 minute is ahead of your 15, correct? That's your confirmation. Look at that. They're not even gonna let me in. They say, yeah, nice play, but
Yeah, no. They're like, yeah, no.
yeah. You see it though, but good job. Maybe next time. It's your 84, Cam, to the tick.
Oh my gosh. I think 84 is going to get.
Nice. Remember, 77. It goes 96, 77. 96, 77. And the next bottom is 48. 96, 77, 48.
Mancini says 84. There's your 84s, boys. We got some action.
You see me, Cam? Bank.
shit's easy
It's easy, Zach.
and fun.
Fun and easy.
Trading today's strategy. Okay, that's the prompt that you're using all the time.
That's just a copy and paste of the battle plan that skips out. But what I put in there is create a trading battle plan off the last 6 Adam Mancini trader Twitter posts. The prompt I use.
Awesome.
Or that's a little bit too much shit. I don't read all that. I only read the levels. like you can put in there create a list of prominent price levels from Adam Mancini's last 6 Twitter posts, starting from high price to low price. That prints out a nice one.
You guys catch these cells?
Yupper.
Yuppers. Let's go. They're dripping this thing. I mean, that 4-hour chart, I mean, they got the liquidity all buffet style right there, right above that 6455. Rectile dysfunction. Look at the 2 minute. 2-hour told us Joey is not on the call because he's got to go deal with something. He'll be back later. Look at the 2-hour. Look at that. Here. Okay, here. If it goes through here, it's going to go straight to 57. 57. Oh, yeah, you got that on your...
Joey's mastering patience.
Won't let this build up inside of me. Won't let this build up inside of
Cam.
me.
Yo.
You can hear me?
Yeah.
Bro, look at all these blue
Just
bars,
watching.
bro.
Cam, when I say Cam, oh shit, what's that? I told you, 77 give us what? Paying attention?
Can't trade anymore in that account. It is full. 'Tis full.
I see 70, 50, and 60. 125, I think. As per Joey's.
What's that mean? B, you thinking small. You gotta think big, bitch. You gotta think big. You thinking small.
Don't let this build up inside of me.
77 give us 48, Cam. 48.
Serenading you with some Slipknot. It's actually so short. 74.25. They're gonna. He's got a lot of volume there, guys. He's 5,000 deep right there at 74s. 5,000 deep. He just sold again at 72.75. Remember when we used to listen to Ben Lichtenstein? He's selling again. Here he comes again. Here he comes. Out of half. Quarter. Out of half. Here he comes again. Here he comes. He's selling again. Out of half.
It was Ben Stein?
Yeah, Ben Lichtenstein. No, that would be at a quarter. Out of half. Do I have like a freaking... I have... Oh, you know what, Elijah? I have a cord to my headphones.
Where's Joey? Big round number. Big round number.
Big round number. So what's the next big round number? Is it 62 or 63? The answer is yes.
Big round number. I got 50, but what do I know?
50, right? I have 50.
What prompted all this? Is this bad news this morning?
It's you not waking up on time.
It's China.
No, wasn't it that the tariffs, that today's tariff day, right?
China. It's wicked. It's wicked, kid.
Huge.
Wicked.
It's wicked, chat. It's a wicked pisser. Let's try this.
All right, I'm gonna do this.
Kim don't listen to me.
Why?
I'm gonna drink some coffee. I'll be right back. How do I get this to work?
This is what annoys me about this beautiful moves is you're like, okay, my entry. Come on, give me an entry.
Oh my God, that's so loud. Oh,
that's life, you know? It would be too easy if they give you entry, Cam.
Right.
It's Friday.
Right.
I figured out how to
They're
hear
like,
you guys in my
sorry.
headphones. Hold on.
Sometimes you just got to jump on a moving train, fellas.
That's right.
Sometimes. Another pro trader tip is a little gay, though. Rose water.
Just the tip?
In the face.
Rose water and just the tip? That's yeah.
That's how you make it. Oh yeah, and never trade on a full what?
I love this.
Never trade full enough.
Yeah, but
I love this chat.
unless you make it fun and easy.
All right. I'm gonna take some profit here. Sorry, I'm selling.
You have to master patience. So.
Yes, because if you don't use it, you lose it.
All right, we're a little deep in the woods, gentlemen. 57. 57 target if it stays under 75s.
You don't know how happy I am right now seeing all these red candles. Makes my tickle.
Hey, we just trade direction. We don't care which way it goes.
Exactly. I love the red candles.
We don't care which way it goes, brother. Look at that.
My wife said, "Hey, babe, red candles."
Look at that 2 minute. Look at that 2 minute. Oh, do I do it? I'm going to do it in the sim. Only in the sim am I going long because that is just absolute debauchery. And my target will be 73.
Yeah, I can't. My stomach right now.
I'll tell you the best part about being a day trader is when you're
Oh, there's
when
more?
when your investment banker buddies give you a call and they're like, "You're short today, weren't you?" I'm like, "Yep."
Yep.
Oh, no, it's going to take my stop. I don't even know what to put my stop at. 60?
62.50 for even, Mr. Woods.
Okay,
And
good,
I'm
good,
gonna wait
good.
to see the reaction there.
I like it. I'm just trading this sword to get smoked here so you guys can make money. Because I wouldn't trade it in my live account. That's a stop and go if I've ever seen one. 73.
Sell
Go.
it to 50, then buy it at 50.
I see 50. I see 50. 50 is also on the 1 hour chart. It is also
Big round number.
half round. That's called half round. Half round number. And man, they are smoking fools like a pack of cigarettes on this one. This is a good one. This is a good one. I wouldn't even know where to put my stop. That's why I did it in the sim because, I mean, I'm going to put it exactly at 626574.
Huge. It's huge.
Huge. And
GI won't.
calling the bottom doesn't work.
No.
Mm-mm, mm-mm,
It's
mm-mm.
1.0.
I'll let you know when Lou goes long. Half an hour after it goes up.
He's going to go long at exactly the bottom. Watch. Ooh, there's a sell at 60.25, 60.50. That is a deep sell.
Yeah, I'll make the long call half an hour after.
Please let us know. Let us know how you did. So 60.50, and your your target would be right around 53.50. Of course, obviously, I'm not going to take this because we're in the nether regions.
Hey, Rev, can you imagine if somehow it got back to Lou that we keep talking about him all these years later?
Well, what's his last name? We'll mention him.
I don't.
Cabinet. It's
Lou
not
the
wood.
cabinet.
Yeah, it's not wood.
Lou the cabinet guy.
Okay, so 60.50. All right, so I could short anywhere right here.
All I know is for 25 years my system can't work.
67.50, right? And then
Damn,
the target.
NQ is paying everybody. NQ said, "You get a car. You get a car. You get a car. Everybody gets a car."
53.50, boys.
Today's Friday free crack day.
Free crack.
Freaky Friday.
Free key Friday, like literally like keys to cars.
free crack?
61.50.
Like keys to the car?
Keys in the car. Where'd you park the car?
The parking lot.
In the parking lot.
They always end their R's with an A and their A's with an R.
You said it
Wicked.
wrong then you said it wrong if that's the case. Okay, so let's see. 67.50 would be. Oh, I'm so glad I'm doing this in the sim because I'm really not reading the tape here. So 67.50, so it would be 70.
Best control once we lost it.
74.50. Add at 67.50 on the simulator. Sweep the leg. Let's go. No fail. Good.
Look at this little trap. They say bite. I
I
tell you
know.
to bite.
Just like they did on the wick on the bar before it. Wick on the bar before
Right. How big is your balls?
How big is your balls?
it.
This one's going fast.
Clip that, please. Just like you guys like clipping other stuff. Go ahead. Hey, go ahead.
Got clangers.
The neck tattoo one is pretty funny, guys. That's a good one.
Oh, Rev, you're gonna get that. You already got the neck tattoo. I promise you. The neck tattoo is already there.
One of you guys make $1 million in one day, excluding Zach.
You're not including me, are you?
Negative.
How are you excluding Zach? That's not fair.
Oh no, trust me, it's fair. 10 million neck tattoo.
If I'm in, we're putting a big fat eggplant right on your cheek.
Neck, and it can't be derogatory, you crackheads. Oh wait, you're not trading NQs. Sorry. 2 ticks from my entry, my ad order of 67. Sweep the leg target would have been 60.50. Target is 53.50 if you're short with me. It is an actual signal. You can see it on my charts. It does not lie. It's the biggest blue arrow you've ever seen.
Look at him. He bad.
Look at him selling. Oh, yeah.
Here come his stuff. Here come his stuff.
Okay.
Don't move the stuff now, kid. Leave the stuff right there.
Look at him. He's pressuring him. This is what professional poker looks like. If you guys have ever wondered, this is what they're doing to each other. He's like, oh yeah, I got 7-4 offsuit. Raise.
He's like, don't blink. Let me get that stuff right here.
Yeah. Pressure's on you, buddy. Okay, so now here's another one, right? So now we add at 60 quarter. Okay, and then we put an add order at 67.25. Okay, and we let it go. 53.50 first target.
50. So I'm looking at like what, 42, 38.
Where's the blow through, Joey? Can you find that from long ago, sir? And give us an update?
Joey's selling to close right now.
Buying to close.
Yes, buying to close.
Yeah. No. That's what I'm asking him for. That's exactly what I'm asking him for. So, where would the blow that we'll see? It'd be way over here, though, right? And it's already been cleaned up until we get under 62. Okay, so no. I'm answering my own questions until we get under 62.46. Didn't you just say 44 or 48 or something like that?
48 for even.
Mm-hmm. Okay. And I'm looking at that on the 1 hour.
57.
When 84 broke, right? Did I read that right?
That's correct.
See? Yeah, 84, 98, 01, 31, 33 below. New Mancini. He says big test 84, fail.
01 below?
Oh, no. 31, 33 below.
Wow.
Yeah, we're getting right back into his numbers. Look at my 5-minute, look at my 15-minute chart. Right back down into his numbers right here. Look at this. Oh yeah, from the 30th of June. See, folks, look, this is why I typed those in there. Look at this. We know exactly when and what he was thinking when the last time we printed 6233. Ah, okay. Rev, that makes some sense. Okay, thanks, Rev. 2505. I'm typing like a sloth today. It's the 8th. It's the 8th month. I am exhausted.
Don't worry, dude. After Tuesday, you'll be flying like a kite.
Oh, dude, are you getting me some nose whistles?
Dude, I sent you a boom boom.
I'm in. And some poker chips?
And knick-knack.
Let's go. I'm getting knick-knack, paddywhacked, and the bow wow nose bone thing.
And a little tiny Ziploc bag of white shit. Just put it up your ask any questions.
Don't tail the mail guy. Don't tail the mail guy. Okay, target 6025. Target 6025. I'm in the sim because I'm off tape counting. I missed the first or the next three blue in the sequence. So I'm just going to keep trading. Go ahead.
None of this is medical advice. Nor is it financial advice.
Never. The disclaimer runs. So
round number 300, Zach. 22, 300 NQ.
Yipper.
nice push. Let's make sure we get that on VOD. Right back at that sell point, 6260 spot quarter. Watch. Here, come to Papa.
Here's your sell.
Here you go.
Oh, you want to buy it?
Another sell, 6250. Holy shit. Lots of sell orders coming up in here.
Decision right here, 63. Decision.
Yes, it is.
Oh.
He bought 64 and a quarter. I mean 64, 75. He bought 64 and 3/4.
All right there.
Listen, thank you for that 65, man. Appreciate you, kid.
And I'll tell you what, you got to be careful. You follow on Twitter; it can eat your day.
That's why you see I only follow very certain people. They can't be bears all the time. You know, it's mostly poker players and shit like that. Because look on Twitter, look, those people don't know dick. You guys,
I'm not going to talk about
know
trade.
this.
I'm talking about like any specific topic. Like there's some people out there. Obviously, they have professional posters for
Push.
them. Or
1,000 at 60, 1,000 at 60, 1,100 at 60. 1,100 at 60. Fill me. Filled at quarter. Okay, watch your 60s. Watch your 60s. Look at that. 1,500, 1,600 at 60, 1,600 at 60. He says this is the bottom. Get me out of this bitch. I'm flat. Beautiful trade. I made a whole $91.
can't possibly go lower.
3 contracts. $91.
No, not at all, Zach. I'm oversold.
They're gonna lean. I'm just looking at the tape. They're gonna lean into this 60. You got 1,600.
Look at 60, 1,500, 1,600.
1,600. I'm gonna go back to 6,250. I've got one short with a 5,350 target still. There you go.
Boom, boom.
There you go.
Doink.
5,350 target. Go. Look at him sell it. Look, he sold 1,000. He sold 1,083 of those 1,574. Let's go, boys. We win.
Take that.
Okay, now, if it reverses.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Anybody that profit on that, I want you to thank me.
Thank you, Zach. Everybody say thank you, Zach. 5,350 hit, folks. We're out. I did enter. I got 9 points.
I put my fat ass on the teeter totter.
Thank you, Zach.
Wow. Now you're at 50.
You want to buy? You want to buy 68?
Yeah, there's your 50s. There's your 50s. That was so choreographed, folks. That was so choreographed.
Kim, how about them apples, Kim?
I got a better price. That was great.
77 give you what? 50. Bink.
Yeah, nice call. We were all over it. Everyone was listening. It should have worked. You know, it's love it.
That was like 27 points in 5 minutes.
Binkerton.
Mancini 30. We're gonna see 30.
Yeah, 31 to 33.
I like it. Good.
This is starting to look like February all over again.
Minus 2%. Russell's down 3. YM's down 1.8.
ES down 2.
ES down 2. Deuce.
How did you know it was going to 48? How did you know?
There's no way. Joe even said, and I quote, 48 even. Did he not say it?
How did you know, Joey?
Voodoo.
Yeah, that Rev guy goes crazy sometimes. Loco.
Holy shit.
So there's a great place to cover.
Yeah, watch now, folks. What I want you to pay attention to is when G-Man tells you that they're going to go up. Watch how this works because it's the same pattern every time. Now, I'm not saying it's going to. And if you're short, you keep it. Yeah, you're only buying to cover. You're only buying to cover here. Only buying to cover. That's it. That was a beautiful pinprick above the 67s, gentlemen. Well played. Well done. All of you that added instead of put your stop there. You put your entry order where your stop. Who'd it been? Good job. Right here on that last arrow. See that? That's a pinprick. Jason M.
China.
Well, it's like the 300th bite at the apple.
And he leaned into it hard at 60 and 60 quarter. So it's a hedge, right? I mean, it's a beautiful hedge if it is. Somebody's getting paid because somebody had to sell it to him.
38, 48, 30, 38, 40. I like it. They give you more than they give you more than enough. They give you a little bonus on top of that 48. They say, here, take a little extra.
Extra ranch on the house.
Mm-hmm. Oh, you want your blue cheese? You want your chicken with blue cheese?
I'm a ranch guy.
Take my chicken with dip. All right, here we go. We're looking at 58 again. Oh wow! Don't blink. Damn it.
Okay, that means you have to walk away, Jeffy. That means Jeffy's done. No, not even a sim trade for Jeffy. Not even a sim trade for Jeffy. Jeff of a buck. All right, Team Green. Let's spam him with some Stay Frosties. It's gonna take me a second because I gotta open it. I can't type in the one that I have. Look at that. Look at that buyer at 62. Look at that hole. I'm giggity.
Here we go.
Is that 58? I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Uh-huh. Show me your tits.
Jesus Christ. Hey, let's play that back. Let's clip that and play that back on VOD, shall we?
Hey, production, take that out.
Production. This is live, son. The hell? This is for your entertainment, folks. These guys actually do know what they're talking about, but probably not what he just said. I'm kidding, guys. Ladies, you know we're not serious. Gentlemen, remind yourself there's ladies in the room.
No, we're pigs. Take it for real. You got to be a little twisted to be a day trader.
Davey Day Trader, have you ever listened to Max Options Max or whatever his name is, a Daddy Stream or whatever? Yo, yeah, we're edited. Oh man, is it entertaining? Yes. Do you have to have thick skin? Yes. YES.
Dude, back before they used to spit on each other and fist fight.
Who? Oh, on the floor. On the floor. Yes.
Yeah, back in the floor in Chicago, they used to go outside and fight each other.
Awesome.
Cam, your mic sounds good. Zach, step your game up. Eli will help you get a good mic.
Do I not sound perfect?
Data series.
Cam sounds good.
Answer.
Well, except for Cam's echo. Cam's mic sounds good. He just needs some $5 foam panels from Amazon. Here's a something we can talk about. Patience inside of trading versus or in relation to patience outside of trading. Let's discuss that. Who on the panel would like to voice their opinion? Who's been struggling with it? Who's been doing really good at it lately? Any of you guys on voice versus, and any of you in chat while we're waiting for the next setup or remaining short?
I'll tell you right now, patience in real life is my massive Achilles heel. I am a baby when shit doesn't come quick.
Okay, now Jeff and Zach have common things of no patience outside of trading. Okay, so now
I work on it.
All right, so Zach and Jeff can have a conversation. Zach on the mic, Jeff because he's not allowed to touch the fucking mouse or I'll break his fingers. Carry on.
I see it, Jeff.
Before you start this conversation, here's the premise that I'm going to put it on. You can't be patient inside of trading if you're not patient outside of trading. That's the premise. Carry on.
You know, for me, it's exactly inverse, strangely enough. Like if my wife were pregnant, like in month 7, I'd be like, fuck, are you still pregnant? Like, hurry the hell up.
Looking at his watch. There's no watch. He's looking at his arm hair. Picture that. Picture that. Let's go. And when you catch yourself being impatient, how often does it come with either a lack of focus or boredom?
Boredom.
The only time in trading when I get in trouble is when I'm just either bored or just trying to push action. You know, then I start seeing stuff that's not there.
60 over.
It's boredom for me.
And
when I get bored, I do stupid shit.
And what is it? So you say you do stupid shit. What is it? What's the first thing that you do?
I'll start fantasizing trades that aren't set up yet.
Okay, and Cam?
Probably not follow my rules and be like, yeah, but this one, oh yeah, now I see it. Kind of like what Zach is saying, and it's just like straight boredom. It's kind of like the devil makes work for idle thumbs. It's the way to think about it.
Perfect. So focus on that, and as Zach keeps saying, make it fun and easy, and change it.
Yeah,
that's why my there.
Zach, your thumb is probably swollen because it's been surrounded.
One in
the other reason for
just one thumb. Zach, I didn't literally mean sit on your hands. Zach, not literally. Okay, there's the G-Man. G-Man, are you long? You fucking dirty your hat. Look at how quiet he is.
He's quiet. I went long 53.25.
Tyson says I like to add a lot of contracts so I can meet goals faster. Not a good mix. Tyson, as I got larger, that is a problem. That is a problem. I have higher quality trades and lower quality trades, and I sometimes push too many contracts into the lower quality trades.
The leather cherry. Oops.
I'm not long yet, but I like it. So I'm
yeah. I know. I see it. This is the G-Man possible reversal. You'll know.
You know, I don't like to be first, but
yeah,
I'm in line.
I see it. Someone's mic's too loud. So who is that? And then Al took long at 57, right? Is that? Yeah, good trade, Al. Long 57. Good call, buddy. Nice entry, nice call. Like it. His target's 67. Love it. Absolutely. Freaking love it.
Well, Rev, I'll tell you what the fix is for that, at least for me, is just realizing there's 50 trades a day. Just sit on it. Just wait.
The next one will come if you're patient, and you can't. Right? And if you're pissed off, it's not the trade that you're thinking. It's the wrong trade.
Yeah. There's 50 a day. Just sit, wait on it.
Just chill.
Let it come to you.
And what you have to what we're reminding ourselves is very simple. You ask yourself this question: how long will a sniper sit there for the shot?
Forever.
And all of you should type it in. All of you in this chat should type it in. Forever. As long as it takes to complete the mission.
Well, the crazy shit for us is that we're not talking about days. We're talking about minutes.
It's
like just chill for a few minutes. It'll present.
Okay, let's get some Stay Frosties for Al. He's done. One and done. Who else was one and done? Jeff was one and done. Let's go, buddy. Stay Frosty. Who else? Look at that. Right through the 72s, folks. We got big loud number coming up. Oh, even. Go ahead, Zach. Sorry, I had to compliment the guys that were just cracking it.
No, that's it. Just the solution. The solution to me is wait 5 minutes. The proper trade's coming. No reason to push.
Tyson's done too. Stay frosty for Tyson. Let's go. Now,
What's
now,
done?
in it, huh?
I was gonna say, what do you mean by done? They've hit their daily target.
Yeah, they've hit their target. Yep.
We
Yeah, and when you get it in one and done, it's stay frosty like a Cran Slayer. Let's go. And that blue picture that you see, that's David a picture of David A staying frosty. Because anytime he hits his one and done, you'll see him type in "Stay frosty, fam," and it's usually about 3 minutes into the beginning of the market. It's perfect. You know how it's done. All right, this is a trick candle. This is where old losing Rev lost all of his money right here, 65.50. How about 5 times daily target in one trade? Well, that's even better, Jeff. Now, I want you to Google Sharp ratio. Good interest for shorts. Let's take a look.
close your eyes. Oh,
Push the button.
yeah. Close your eyes and hit the sell button.
All right, so you can see mine. We were early, but we nailed it. We started shorting around 63.07.
Loose shorted at the top.
I actually started at 17.25. Oh no, that's what it was. Okay. After it made a higher high at VWAP and failed, and then created. Where's my big bar? After it created this, I call this the Zach bar. Right here. I just hit market, whatever it was, 17.25 is what it gave me. My stop was above here. I wasn't going above here. I'm wrong here. I don't need to be wrong here. And so then I had to go for 10 points for the first target. It gives me a sell signal after it fills me on my first one. So I have to wait to enter again. So I enter again here. Okay, take profit here, close here, and then we get the big sell signal at 250. Which is a sweep of the leg here. We sell here, and we nail it. Shkaboom. And then we got it again. Great question. Great question. So multiple times, but once the sellers showed their hand, which you can review this video, you can rewind it, sprawl, you can rewind it to see when I was doing it. And you can also hear the other guys in the background of when this thing really fell when I took a walk, which is the other blue bars. Here, I'll just show you right here. It's these bars right here.
NQ committed to higher
Well,
structure.
Target failed. I like it.
Nice.
73's out. The next up is 96, but they just moved price on me, so it's cheaper now. My new price is 66, so I'm very, very cautious, but I'm in. I'm right in. I just sent a picture to you guys.
NQ's
I'm
got
riding. That's right. First one's already out.
We send it to Chatter. Cam, you dirty rat. Yeah, Cam is vicious. Damn, son. Let's go.
That reclaim was it. You know?
Yeah, it's there. There it is. 61.8 to the TZ, and you're in.
Be very careful here. 66 failed.
Nice. 11 micros. That's fire, bro. That's fire.
Go.
Yeah. That's over in Trader Chatter. If you guys want to see hashtag, so it's a Discord, discord.gg forward, what is it? Discord.gg forward slash SageFT.
That's the 96. I'm on front run 95. Stuff all break even.
Nice one, guys. Good one. I have no long signals. I am just a spectator. I am just a small potato.
My structure broke at 62. I like it, which was
On the 5 minute?
which was a good. It was on the 5 minute. It was a good point of control as well. So once they broke the structure there, It's healthy. But I'm small.
NQ broke 28 to the high, so
Yep.
clear skies above.
NQ broke 28. ES broke 62.
Good job, guys. Great job. Are you guys enjoying having more than just my trolling ass on the stream? Let us know, because I mean, look, these guys are just chilling with me. They're not doing this for any sort of. We haven't made any agreements or anything like that. So hit the like button. They're supporting me. Zach's one of my best friends. Zach's one of my only friends. And then we've got Cam and Joey. We've got Cam, Joey, and G-Man. They're clients since day one. They came on over. They stepped on into the dark side. They took the challenge. They ran the gauntlet. They proved that they can show that they follow directions, and now they're with us on the mic. Okay, who's next? Are you?
I'm one of Rev's best friends. I don't even like him.
And I'm a turd. Known Zach for a very, very long time, guys.
No, I'd give Rev a kidney.
Speaking of that, Pops, we love
That's
you.
love right there.
Can we talk about that at all? Is it up?
If he's on, it Pops, if you text me and say yes, we'll talk about it. If not, no. Because he's usually listening to the stream, Zach. If he's not listening, we can't say anything.
Yeah, I love you, Pops. You're fucking fantastic, man.
Let's fucking go, Pops. He's probably sleeping, man.
Does he pay to be his friend?
He's paid.
Only in hearts and wit.
In heartache. I was guys. I was such a fucker when I was a teenager. I didn't do drugs, right? So it wasn't anything like that. But I was such a fucker.
Dealing with Rev 20 years ago, the local university gave me like an honorary psychology degree.
My eyes are watering. I'm laughing so hard.
No way.
Oh my God, the dumb shit I've done in my life.
How many keyboards smashed over your knee in the last decade? In the last two, well, not this decade, but
not this decade.
Yeah, not since you made the female transition.
Oh man, I have. Let's see. The last time.
Personally,
15, 20 monitors, 5, 10. Only because I get mad at myself. You know what I mean? Like it has nothing to do with the market. Got him. Once I figured it out, though, it was just like, oh my God, are you serious? What?
No, seriously, let's talk about that for a second. Like, your big problem was that in your life, your cup was already full, so that the slightest bit of shit in the market would just put you over.
That's exactly what it was.
It wasn't the market at all. It was just the market would just push your cup. Just you were already maxed out in your life.
So if that resonates with anyone,
I'll go so far as to say this. If you're even beginning to think about shit, should I get a divorce? You got to fix that. You can't just live that way for the next 10, 20 years. You got to fix it or walk.
it is. Whatever it is, guys. Whatever it is ails you will bleed through in your trading.
Now, listen, I love my wife dearly, but we had some rough years where I basically told her, I said, listen, I'm the king of this kingdom, and you got to step up and be the queen or we're done.
Got a nice little short going on here. There's a big stop, though. So you'd be around 64 on that pullback, right? It's gone.
Otherwise, you waste time.
Yeah, I can attest to the fact that I wasted a very, very long period of my life trying to make someone else happy that was never going to be happy when I wasn't happy. I can't make anyone else happy. So it didn't matter. It didn't matter.
Yeah, I have a bad tendency of holding on to wounded birds too long, too.
Daily low is exact on the NQ. Do you guys see that? 22800. Okay, now if you think that's a coincidence, I do believe we've got oceanfront property in Arizona for cheap.
66 major. Oh, I'm still in. One tick for my stop break even. This is hold on.
Nice.
Like it.
Good old Heather the Antichrist. First year was awesome. Second and third year was just torture. All my friends were coming to me saying, "What the hell are you doing?"
That's
yeah,
a
she's
pinprick.
6 foot tall, she's gorgeous, but who cares?
Ooh.
You don't fall for that pretty drip.
Oh yeah, it's the shiny object.
There's a snake down there.
Yeah, it stopped me dead in my tracks. Right there at 68. So 67.50 would be a buy?
And for the ladies on the feed, it goes both ways. Don't tolerate his dead ass.
Ladies, listen to the advice. You deserve the best.
Any man who's not hunting and killing, you have no time for.
Hey Siri, play Creed.
You don't need Siri, you got me.
Oh, go on, Zach. Give me some notes. Oof. Go on, NQ. Go on then. Round number.
63. Do you want me?
Round number.
To a place where blind men see.
I'll admit it. I loved Creed when they came out. Everybody teased me. That's like Nickelback. What's wrong with Nickelback?
Nickelback.
78. Come on, 78. Just confirm and go.
Nickelback came to town. I got like 6 VIP tickets for friends, and I couldn't give them away. What's wrong with Nickelback? What the hell's wrong with you? I'm like, they're good. What are you talking about?
But guys, they're cool.
Like 9 other soundtrack songs, you know.
Those guys made a fortune, did a lot of drugs, had a lot of fun with a lot of different people. May they live their best life. May they make it easy and fun. Amen. 96.
It's funny. What am I
doing? All right, take me to 94. 96. Take me to 94.
You got 94?
I'm front running, boss. Stop playing with me. They already paid me. I just got to put it in the bank.
I see it.
90.75, G. 90.75. Low on a daily.
Licking. What the shit? All of you guys. Doo-doo. No, you guys are amazing. I love all of you. I just have a target of 96. You jerks.
Like it.
I love it.
If anybody's deeply green, just hold one. Just 63.
86.50 is 1R.
Hold just one for round number. Hold one.
Round number.
I love the round number. 6,300. That is juicy.
It's probably going to print.
It's Wednesday since we've been talking about it, right?
Oh, there's a buyer. There's a buyer. There's a buyer. Keep it up. Keep it up. Go, go, go. Stop break even +2. Free trade. Free trade.
No, Mr. Woods. Mr. Woods. They already took him. They said all the puts were open. Everybody went short around 60. They said good.
Right.
Good.
And the perfect pinprick was that little 71.25 to 68 Smackertino. They're about to take my stop. Don't you do it. I gotta go 66.
Oh no, I got a higher. We good. We need more suckers right here.
Go. I had a great trade going. Oh, exit.
You need buyers to jump in. This is kind of light.
Yeah, they ran it all the way back to my stop to the tick. 77 quote. You fucking bastards.
70, 78, 78.
We don't
Better
want
hold.
70, we don't want 77 to print.
I remember back in the days when we thought they're hunting our fucking one contract trade.
No, they're hunting ICT's sim trade. Oh,
TT bag.
did I say that out loud? The guy has had me blocked since day one.
What do you mean? They don't do that?
he created the algorithm, bro. They got me at 77.25 on the low tick. Fucking assholes.
Goldman Sachs has you on the radar.
They knew my 1 micro. They knew my 1 micro was right there. They knew.
Imagine Goldman Sachs' entire trading floor. He's in.
He's in.
He's
Sell. There he is. We've been waiting all day for him to take a trade.
We can't run it down there. We'll lose millions. No, we don't care. We got to stop this guy.
He's got 1 micro. Get him. Oh, shit. 86.50 and 96 is our targets, guys. Even though my little peon got smoked like a pack of cigarettes. Next. Here's the deal. If you're not having fun trading, it means you have a lack of data, which gives you the lack of confidence, and we call that load lock. Folks, if you have load lock, this is supposed to be fun. Chatting with your friends, watching, hearing them call trades and trading with them and understanding what they're talking about, right? That's what we're supposed to be doing. Watching the guy that's running the stream get smoked at 77.25 with the Michael Jordan.
80. He bought 80 and a half.
He sure did. He just loaded the boat. Hey, he got my 1 contract. He's got all he can fucking eat.
Well, I mean, listen, I'll just say this. If it sounds like we're just jerking around and like saying dumb stuff, every single pro has their eyes just pinned to the screen while they're talking.
Yeah.
So while we're talking about wives and husbands and stuff, I mean, my thumb is somewhere.
We know where
else.
your thumb is.
My left thumb is in my culo, and my right finger.
Right as I'm taking a drink of my drink, you said that.
A drink of my drink.
You're a prick. You just spit it all over my microphone.
Grape drink.
He's like, oh, grape drink. I had to stop drinking that, man. It gave me this weird cramp, dude. Ooh. Pre-workout, folks. Powdered pre-workout is what we're talking about. Amino blends. That's what we're talking about. We call it grape drink.
This message is helping you. What does that mean? Someone said something naughty?
Oh, you're a moderator, Zach. You can hit the 3 buttons on the left and turn that off if you want. I mean, someone is being naughty. You can approve it or disapprove it. It doesn't. I think there's other mods doing it.
Oh.
I assume either Elijah or Maddie.
Oh, you want to sell the fair value gap?
Mr. Fay, let's go, baby.
You want to sell the fair value gap?
No, they just wanted to sell 77.25. 23 Michael Jordan in my face. Fucking bastards.
He loves 82. He said, market, give it to me. Let's go.
I was up 6 points on that rat.
Oh, nice. Let's go.
Oh, no. Stop. It's just too much. He's winning big, boys.
You said you wanted to sell the fair value gap? How about this?
He's
Hold
up
this in balance.
He's up 33 cents. Book him. So the other day when Zach was talking about MetaTrader and how they can skip the line on certain orders, okay, that's called A booking and B booking. It's very, very real. I didn't want to interrupt him when he was talking about it because I wanted you guys to listen. It's very, very real. You can Google it, and they actually do that to you all the time. They know who the winners are. They know who the losers are. The winners are A booked against the losers. A book and B book. They're B booked against the losers. Okay, so that's how it works. At the CME, okay, now in the stock market, there's a different name for it. It's a Latin term or French term or something like that, and it's where it stands for skip to the front of the line. I don't know what it's actually called, but there's that in some of the algorithms with the brokerages, not the brokerages, the exchanges. I believe the CME is very fair because I'm reading the tape. I can see the orders. So, do they get in front of me sometimes? I'm sure they do. There's 86.50. Oh my God! Shut up. No,
Joey.
Great job, guys.
Joey.
Round number.
Take me to the round number.
I should have re-entered. I should not have moved my stop up.
Maybe I'm dead serious. Maybe on the feed doesn't know what round number is. Say it. Because we might think that's obvious, but
Zach, how many contracts are you long?
Let's go, Brad.
230.
So if you guys think that we're fucking around,
5,000.
didn't you hear what he just said?
Jesus Christ. Here I am, just like nursing my one last contract. You know?
Right.
Like,
So when you guys want to pussyfoot with your fucking one micro, and, shut the fuck up. Think about it. 5 contracts. That's sim to Zach.
Anything under 30 contracts ES is sim.
You heard that, right? You guys heard that, right? Type of Y in the chat. Hit the like button if you heard that, right? This is look. I didn't just bring some guy on that can read what's happening. No, guys, look, folks, it's just a matter of time before everybody realizes.
Just throw it in the bag. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Just throw it in the bag.
They close your fair value gap.
Was that on the 5 minute?
Fair value what?
Was that on the? Yep. Oh, I see it. And then there's one more on the 5, right above us.
There's one more.
Right at the 93 to 01. I see it.
They said no fair value gap for you.
And then so then your block. If I'm looking at the 2 minute, G, go to 2 minute for me for a minute. You're on Trading View 936 bar. On NinjaTrader, you're 938 bar. Am I seeing that correctly?
That is absolutely correct.
Go.
And you see how they tapped it at 85?
You guys are seeing what he's, you guys seeing what he's typing right here. I'll put it at full screen. Hold on.
Heavy. I wanna sweep the lick at 93 right on top of the head. Bank.
You have perfect removal. Look at the removal, guys.
All right, hey, hold on. I'm seeing some stuff in the chat here, like Jeff B. 3 grand per tick. What the fuck? Listen, guys. When I first started trading 23 years ago or whatever it was, I started at 1 contract, 2 contracts, 4 contracts would make me puke. But just what I told myself is I built a spreadsheet, and I basically told myself, every week I trade proper, and every week I feel good about staying within my rules. I'm gonna up it 1 more contract. And, just here I am 20 years later. That's how you get up there. Does that make sense? You just add with confidence.
That makes perfect sense.
So,
the
so you were saying is
the dollar sign's irrelevant. I mean, just it's structure and trigger, structure pulling the trigger.
that's what I was going to say. You were not judging based on your P&L. It was based on your personal performance, like how you were following your rules, etc. Right?
Well, all right. Let's just think of it this simply. Let's say that you win 8 out of 10 trades, and your risk reward's at least 1 to 1. What would you do every single day that you prove that to be true?
Scale up.
Yeah.
You would inch up. Why would you not inch up?
Yeah.
What language is that?
French.
Oh, Elijah, she's speaking your language, buddy.
I speak French, I speak Creole, I speak English,
Do
and I
you
speak
speak
Spanish.
French? Do you speak French when you talk to Elijah?
Yeah, me and Elijah spoke French before.
Let's go.
Here's another way to go about it too. Is when you feel bored. I like the word bored. If you feel bored at one, go to two. Listen, I live in Vegas. It's the same thing with. You guys ever follow like Dana White with like his blackjack playing? Like he won't go to a $5, $10 table because it's boring. I mean, why wake up in the morning? It's too boring. Like Michael Jordan, when he comes to town and plays baccarat, he plays like $10 million. He plays like $10 million baccarat. You know, because 10,000 would be too boring. You know, so as you get confident at one contract and you'll get bored at it, bump to two. And when two gets routine, go to three. Obviously, you got to have the capital, right?
62.
You know, don't go trading 10 contracts with, you know, you want to be somewhere around that ratio of 1 to 2% risk, right?
See. I was on Rhythmic earlier, and I had no problems. Surprisingly, Andy, go ahead, Zach. Sorry, go ahead.
I was going to say, Pat was saying they didn't have any MES back then. Yeah, no.
It was brutal back then. It was sim, or it was the ES, or the $250, which ran in tenths, which was $25 a point.
I mean, everybody can have a different philosophy on this, but for me personally, sim, I can go 1,000 for 1,000 on sim. Like I never lose. Yeah, but you know, so it didn't have any value to me. Like I had to push. It's kind of like we were talking about, like if you're having a poker game and somebody at the table like has too little money at stake, they're going to push dumb trades. I had to put enough on the line where I was wise with my entries.
But that also go back to what Rev was kind of saying earlier, like lack of data give you lack of confidence, because you can put 1,000 contract on so you can feel something, but if you don't have the data, you don't know what you're doing, you're still in the dark space.
Yep.
But now having the data and having the confidence, you want to put that 1,000 on because you're doing it the right way and you can accept the risk regardless how it goes. It's going to be a good trade. That lose, you can stomach it. But
the other thing too is, remember, I mean, a year, 2 years, 5 years into the future, as you're scaling up little by little as you're bored, you'll find yourself everybody. My goal for everybody in here, if it's what you want to do, I want to see everybody be above at least 10, if not 20 contracts a click.
Let's fucking go.
And what you'll notice is your balance is high enough where if trading 1 or 2 contracts isn't even worth it because you're not gonna get your ROI.
Mm.
I mean, I could trade 5 contracts all day long and never lose a trade, and my ROI, versus my principal balance is squat. So yeah. I mean, I have to trade big or it's not worth it.
5 minute, right, Joey? Yeah, 75, 74, 75. Yep. That's the over under. Go ahead.
And listen, the other thing too is don't feel pressure to get big. I know so many guys that trade 5 to 10 contracts, and that's just the way they live, and they live real well. Real well. I mean, what's wrong with making $5,000 a day and giving half to the government? I'm a key trader too.
Did you guys are you guys thinking change of character yet, or are you guys thinking structure's still there?
Absolutely. My stop's at 70 and I'm okay with it. I'll re-enter if it gives me another signal.
Yeah, because they Gappertino, they pulled the bid here. I was hoping you were going to say that around 77, 78. They said, all right, that's enough of that.
Yeah, but you see the picture I sent you, the 2 minute we was talking about?
Yeah. Totally.
That was the fly was sitting there, so it's fair, good reaction. That was where the last dump started. So
will you put that?
So fair.
Oh, it's already in there. Oh, yeah, you have it in. Oh, say so, folks. Discord.gg/SageFT. Okay, hashtag Trader Chatter. He's got all the pictures in there, and now look, you can see when he first entered the trade, he put that in there, and it literally has the demand, the supply zone marked. Okay, on the larger time frames. G, can you put the 2 minute picture in there for me, please?
Copy.
Thank you. And now what you'll see is he's going to dial down into the 2 minute, and you're going to see that it's that bar at whatever time we said it was. 9:36 on TradingView, 9:38 on Ninja Trader. All right, is this resumption? There you go. Thank you.
And I'm flat. Fault.
This
At the low.
Yeah, this is the risky long. Ooh.
It died. It died at 86.
Yeah.
Yeah, 86.50 was my 1R, guys. Where did it go to? It went to 87, 75, 88. I'll be right back. I got the FOMO jitters. Where's FOMO, man? Here's your boy, G.
Oh, I get what you're saying.
It's your boy.
Here, guy.
Yeah.
Wink.
Cam, it's your boy.
That was a 38.
No.
Batman.
There he is.
That long was.
He's gonna punch you in this. Hey, he's gonna punch you in your swizzle stick, Cam. I'll be right back. Hey, look, the people that are watching this, I hope you're enjoying this because this is the most fun I've had in a long time. I love hanging out with these guys. Pretty soon, it's all gonna be like family. You guys are going to get to know the rest of the people that are going to come on the mic. There are other people in this group. We are not going to tell you who they are. You will hear them when they come back. Okay, we've got a nice eclectic mix for you into the future. I shall return.
Yo, Rev, look at it. They took me to the tick.
Hey, listen. That's what you get for laughing at me getting to the tick at 77.25, you prick.
They're gonna go straight to my 95. Oh.
82.75.
Hey, fun and easy, okay? You don't see me saying fuck. It's all good. I'm gonna get another one.
You
got another one.
Oh yeah, it's all gravy.
But it's funny, they took me to the tick though at 70. But if you look at your 5 minute though, right? Look at the structure on your 5 minute. And my stop was definitely in the wrong place because if you look, there was no imbalances. So my stop should really still be 43. But I wasn't giving no greenback. It's Friday, so I'm playing fair and safe.
Yeah. It's Friday.
Yeah.
69.25.
You see how they keep banging their head in the supply? They went back to that 85 rev, bank, right back down.
Yeah, they like
so until that 85, that block from 85 to 93 clear, we might see a little turbulence from 85 to 93.
Yeah, 5 minutes a little skewed until you get through the 93s.
All right.
Yeah, I see it. But now
93 is a big round number.
Now, what I am going to point out to everybody, and what Joey has already pointed out to us, 74.75 is your actual number. 74.75. That's your actual number right there. That's your actual number, 74.75.
54.
On the stream over here, we're talking about gambling. What would you guys say is the difference between gambling and trading? What's the difference?
Edge. Who has the edge in gambling? The house.
What my definition of gambling is less than 70% statistical advantage.
Sure.
That's the difference.
Does the house have the casino, or do they have the hotel? Well, then you're gambling.
I don't even think about the counterparty. I just think like, what's my statistical advantage? Is it 70% or greater? It's trading or investing. If it's less than 70%, then it's gambling. They're asking if I like live in Vegas and gambling and all that shit.
Yeah, you don't really gamble that much, do you? Even though you live there.
No, I won't do a thing with $1 unless I get a 70% advantage or better, and they just don't offer anything.
No, not at a casino. No. Baccarat's what, 52% or 50.2 or something like that. I don't know. It's actually it's 49.8 or something like that. That's your best chance at it. 83 target.
They say that if you play perfect what do they call it, mathematical model or mathematical structure on blackjack, you can get it as high as like 49 and a quarter.
Yeah, which it's not an edge.
No.
Lower lows, lower lows, lower lows.
Bounce.
Yeah, but if you do that with any size, you're going to be asked to go to the buffet, and if you're doing it with a real big size, you're going to be asked to leave the property.
Copy that, because then you have the edge. And so then that would be gambling, right? Do they kick you out? Like I was listening to something this morning about hedging. Does let's say you're in an FX, can you hedge? If you can't, why not?
Yeah.
Ask yourself that question.
My dad got black booked at Green Valley Ranches because he had a higher than statistical probability of winning over like a 2-hour period.
That's very short term.
They were really nice about it, but they're like, yeah, we're not accepting your play anymore.
That's called backing off politely.
Yeah, and if you get too much of a reputation at like more than 2 or 3 properties, you'll find that like you can't play anywhere in the damn city.
Yeah, they're all the same book. I've got a line drawn at 68.75.
I know some guys that work at for station casinos, and they'll straight up tell you, listen, we're not in the business of helping you make money. We're in the business of entertainment. You dump your money to us, and we'll show you a good time.
Yeah, that makes sense. You pay for entertainment. Yeah.
Have you heard of Ed Thorpe?
What?
Like this guy called Ed Thorpe. He's old now, but the guy was one of the first. He was a mathematician, and the guy figured out a way to like make a ton of money in Vegas. I want to say back in the 70s or 60s or something.
Right.
And he in his book, the guy says that he got really good at it, and so they threw him in the trunk of a car and just like dropped him in the desert. Like, get the fuck out of here.
Well, yeah. Real story. You can look this up on Google. Lake Mead has been getting lower and lower every year, and as it gets lower, they're uncovering oil cans with dead bodies in them.
Oh my god!
Like all those mafia stories you've heard about people being, chopped in a itty pieces. They're discovering these bodies as the lake gets lower.
They'll find Jimmy Hoffa one day,
Maybe
he could be out there. 69 over under.
I want to see 60. Why not?
That's a big mental conversion. I think a lot of us have to make at some point or another. Is just is this a game that we're playing here, or is this a job? Is it like what are we here for? Are we just filling time, or are we here to throw $100,000 in our pocket and have a great weekend? Can
yes.
Can hit a target you're not aiming at, right? Yeah, drums all over.
I'm here to put 100 grand in my pocket, fun and easy.
Making it fun and easy. Let's go.
If you're of the right mind space, I highly suggest this. Like this weekend, if you hit the pool or something, whenever you got some quiet time, think about like spend like 5 to 10 minutes, literally like daydreaming about what would it literally be like to make $100,000 a day. That's $100,000 a day. Just take 10 minutes and think about it. Not like what would you buy or and that, but just like how would it feel?
Yeah, what would it be like? What would your life be like?
I'm not even talking about outside your skin, Rev. I'm just talking
Sure.
about like the buzz inside your skin. What would
Sure.
it feel like
Sure.
to know
Absolutely.
that every single day that you wake up at 9:30 a.m. that you can put $100,000 in your pocket?
Let's go. Who doesn't believe that, right? Here's the deal. Believe it. Get the data that proves it. That's the whole thing of what we're saying.
Again, when I talk like this, that doesn't mean that anybody who, again, we know plenty of people that have just slayed 5, 10 contracts, for decades, and that, that sure as shit beats factory work.
One contract a day keeps the job away. The battle between 68 and 70.
I remember a time in my life where I literally was on my knees praying to God that, just help me make 10 grand a day, or help me make 10 grand a month. And that's all I'll ever need. There was a day in my life where that was
I remember that. I remember
those
when
are-
I was going through that too. Yep.
just help me make 10 grand. And I'm not even talking about trading. I'm talking about when I owned some retail business. Help me make payroll, please.
Yeah, and payroll isn't including you.
Oh no, ramen noodle time.
Mm-hmm. They're trying to buy this, but how far do they go? Let's see. I've got a 74.25 target, and then I've got 96. One tick Rick again.
Here's something to think about too, because I know that you're all good people. Imagine your charity of choice, whether it be animals or veterans or
Let's
whatever.
Ding, first
Think
target.
about what it would feel this Christmas to write a check for 100 grand to your charity of choice. Think about what that would feel like. I mean, just your local soup kitchen. You know how much that can feed?
Yeah,
Hopefully amazing.
months. Okay, 75 tap, Joey, on the 5 minute still. They got to get over that white line. That's why I had a target up there.
Damn right, Andy. Damn right. Has anybody read the book, The Science of Getting Rich by Wallace Wattles?
Type it in the chat, would you?
Mandatory reading. I will in a second.
Yeah, and then someone will pin it.
The very first page, the very first chapter, he basically makes a really good point that to not be wealthy is sinful. Just think of it this way. All the best things in life that you want to experience, at least for now, requires fair exchange of dollar, right? Or whatever currency. You want to go see you want to go watch the Yankees at Yankee Stadium. You got to get there, got to pay the ticket. Takes money. And if you don't have money, you can't have these experiences. You want to go to Hawaii? You got $5. You're very limited. You got $5 million. You can have a real nice time. So the argument he makes in terms of sinful is obviously he's referring to money from almost a religious standpoint, where he says that that God wants you to have a full expression of your life. I remember as a kid, I had fantastic parents. They're still with me, thank God. But I had the opportunity to go to any college I want, Harvard, anywhere. But I remember that discussion with my parents where they basically said, "Hey, we can't afford the tuition of where you want to go." And unfortunately, the reality of the time is that we were a Caucasian family making just enough to not qualify for any financial aid. And so my parents had to lovingly look in my eyes and say,
67.25.
we're not allowed to give you all the opportunity that you want, that you've earned, because we can't afford to put you where you deserve to go. So my parents artificially limited me because they couldn't afford to do that. What if all your kids are going to summer camp and you can't afford the summer camp? You're depriving your kid of opportunity.
59.25.
So so that's a book that really helped me out in terms of you have to be wealthy. If you're not wealthy, you're dependent, and if you're dependent, you're at risk. One bad medical diagnosis and 100 goes away. So that's my position. So why scale up? For me, the answer is I don't want to be dependent. I don't want to be at risk. God forbid if somebody comes to me with a $500,000 problem, I don't want to have to, sit there and say, shit, I got to take on 5 part-time jobs to try to help them.
Thank you. I will take that 64.50 stop. Appreciate you.
Thank you.
Bank. Oh, 64 to the tick. Didn't let me out though. Here's what I'm looking at.
Yeah, he's the only author I've ever heard go so far as to say that to not be wealthy is sinful.
Do it. Smoke them. Do it. Do it.
51s.
Target. Fill.
51s.
So my 62's out. 20, 10, 40. Should be 45, but I'm from running 48. Why am I short? They moved the price to 66, so that's why I'm short. That was a clean trade. You see it, boss? I sent it to you.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I said supply, dump it.
He bought. Sell.
Kabang. Next down, 56.
59 and then 51. So we'll see. They're hammering this thing, guys. I mean, it's in trouble, right? And so one of the best trades is, for me, is when it paints a buy and then doesn't work, and then with the trend it paints a sell. It usually works pretty well. So we'll see how this works, right? So
My view up at 90. Oof.
75 is the over under on the 5 minute.
Yeah, I'm down to break even on the rest. I'm not playing with this. I see it. I see it. I see it.
White on blue, 30-second.
I went at 61. But
It's coming. It's
oh
not
no,
done.
60-25 is what I'm looking for. Yeah, yeah. It hasn't taken off yet, so that's good.
Yeah, nothing has changed really. I mean, unless it's some huge engulfing. I mean, if you think about it, we're down 1.6%. It's 11 a.m.
What time is it? 11?
11 a.m. $69 is my over-under on the 2-minute. I hope it doesn't rip right here. Well, I mean, I have an ad order, but I'd rather.
69.
Yeah, I see it.
69 is also a reclaim.
But it's so bearish. Oh, that's what you're looking at, right?
Yeah, it's a reclaim, but it's also in the middle of a supply.
Mm-hmm.
So,
and folks, he's showing the charts that what he's looking at discord.gg/SageFT hashtag Trader Chatter. Hashtag Trader Chatter. Now drop.
your stop is sitting at 61.75.
Go on. I'm listening.
That's the low I want to see to get taken out.
Uh-huh.
They reclaimed the low. I'm watching. Decision right here on VPOT, the point of control. It either goes up or down.
Is that how it works?
Mm-hmm.
He figured it out.
And oh my God. Only goes up and down, that's it?
50-50.
There's the seller. There he is. There he is. There he is. Okay, so 68.75.
Hijo de puta.
66. 66. Somebody's Cam, you're a little too loud.
Sorry, I'll put myself on mute. I need to curse a lot anyway.
Yeah, they're going to stop me at 71.50 here on this one. 68. Yeah, they got me on that one. And then I'm going to try to add at 75.25.
They left without me. Bye.
Watching 75.
Yeah, if it doesn't go through 75 real quick, this thing is going to, in my opinion, dribble. I still have a sell order at 75, guys. I did take a stop on the little tiny spinning bar here, but I do have an ad order on my next of kin here.
I don't want
Because
75.
look at your larger time frames, folks. Are we calling a fucking bottom? No.
Right.
Ooh, there's the sweep of the leg. All right, so now we've got a leg sweeper, right? So 71.50 with a 74.50 stop. I'm not saying take it. I'm just saying like that's one thing you could be looking at. Yeah, 71.50 with a 74.25 stop. Sure, why not? And then target is 68.75 again. Sure, I'll take that. I just missed it, but sure, I'll take it. 71.50 with a 68.75 target. 74.25 stop.
75 don't print. It's super
Yeah,
good.
yeah. For me. I see 70 and 75. 70 support or resistance, however you want to look at it.
Let me get 61.50 first.
Please, absolutely. They're trying to lean on 70. Let's see if he's successful. Either he's going to get absorbed or he's not. And I'm taking each one of these little trades. I'm taking with one contract, and I have a stop on each freaking one.
Yeah, but look at your price. Look at your price. They accumulating that 66. Is it to spin it?
I don't know. That's why I have a stop. Because there's lots of people that shorted 66, right? Or something around that. Leaned into it, as we would say, right?
75 or 61. That's where all the answers lay.
Yeah. So and then obviously in the middle of that, 70 on tape. 69 on the 2-minute chart for me. 68.75 to be very, very exact with that number. Okay, there's the out. Did it not, Phil? 68. Oh, shit, I got the wrong fucking target on there. Done. It gave me good credit. It gave me good credit for bad behavior. Thank you.
See, my thing was, Zach, right, in the beginning, not even the beginning, a couple months ago till I killed it, was I couldn't see a red trade. Like, if I took my first trade or if I took a trade and my P&L was red, I was having like an out-of-body experience. Everything was gone. Like, I started oversizing. I started over-trading. I'm not looking for the setup. I'm not waiting for structure. I'm just trying to get that red back. And that was my major problem for a long time.
Trying to be right. MCQ, I've been great, buddy. You? They're 70. Did they just pinprick them? Or is that the beginning? Every time I say that, it goes up. Fuck. Still haven't printed 75.25 for my ad.
You play in the middle, your accounts get little.
Diddle in the middle, your account get diddled.
75.61. Which way?
Yes.
Good.
75, then 61.
I guess we're going up. They give you a new price now. Your price is from 66 to 70.
Oh,
You see that? 75.
that was awesome. Hell yeah. That was sick.
How do you know?
Damn. All right, I'm out.
Good job, Kim.
Oh, I have one correct. Oh, did you see that pinprick?
Great work.
Fuck yeah.
After pinprick. After pinprick, did you see the price? You see how they said new price. It went whoop.
Oh, I gotta start looking at the price. Yeah.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
I actually looked there. Oh, wow.
Lock in now. Lock in.
So, G, question for you.
Yes, sir.
67.25.
This wasn't on purpose, but I just noticed that I entered at the price 62.70. Is that like not very kosher?
I mean, as long as you have the stop, you have the proper stop, that's fine. You can bid direct. That's basically saying the price is $5. I bought it at $5. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, gotcha.
You can give it a
fair
few
price.
minutes.
Let's call it.
Correct. Or you can wait a few minutes to see if you can get a cheaper price. But I don't really like to buy it at the price. If the price is $5, I'd rather pay $5.50
Out 70
Knowing
25
the
from 75
probability of
25.
getting my 1-to-1 is more than 50%. You know.
I took my ad off 5 points.
I hear you. Okay. That was cool. I'm out with the rest.
Yeah, because watch 60. Okay, so now remember, G said 75 or 61. Do you think just because I hit 75, it can't go to 61? I got a fucking bridge in Brooklyn to sell you, right? So now, for me, 68.75 on the 2-minute chart here. Look, everybody, look at the chart for real quick. This line. Look at how they've fucked with this line so hard right here. And you got, and I was talking about the pinprick. You guys were talking about the pinprick. It was beautiful. I had a sell to open order up there. See how we both played the same game? Here's the target. Let's go, right? So everybody that's watching this, okay, there's five, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 5 traders in here that kick ass. Notice we're all doing different shit. 70-25 sell. Holy
Hey
shit.
Pat, I'm a COVID trader. I started trading in 2021, and my first year and a half was kind of like, you know, you try it, you fail, you try it, you fail. You're looking for the right information, you're looking for the right teacher. You know, the data. You're getting a bunch of data that doesn't make sense. And after my first year and a half, I just say fuck it. I locked in 100%. I said I'm going full time. So I'm really in my second and a half year of full time. So I'll say 4 years on total since I've been trading, Pat.
63. He's been with us 2 years.
I've been with you since MFT.
G-Man was one of the first guys to receive the KISS chart. Or not the, everybody knows what, right, moving averages are, but just the idea of context and that kind of thing. I had a sell at 70 quarter, which is right where I'm looking. Oh yeah, this is beautiful. Look at your 5-minute tapper, Joey. I know you see that.
I'm still short.
Yeah, I'm still short. I'm short. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm saying is 68.75. I shorted 70.25, and I wanted to go through the 69.75. But on the 5-minute, that 75 is the whole crux of this thing here. Also, are we getting a higher low at 61.75?
MCQ, not was, is 2.0. You got to think 2.0 MCQ. Okay, so they said the price is 70. They like it. They like it.
Yeah.
Now, think about the scenario we were talking about yesterday, Ken. Right? You bought the shoes for $66. I mean, you're not buying it to like you a reseller, right? So you bought it at $66 or $63. You woke up today, it's worth $70. What you gonna do? Now you're happy because now your supply is worth more than it was yesterday. So you're gonna hold on to it or buy some more, knowing that the probability of it going higher is greater. It's just the price. You know what I'm saying?
Just internalize it, Cam, and remember you can play this back on YouTube so you can hear it again.
Yeah, it's actually the second time that I hear it, and it makes more sense than the first.
and when you hear it 100 times, you're going to be the one saying it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Okay,
totally.
decision again, guys. No fill on my ad order. Damn, dude, they're fucking.
So now think about it, Cam. Now what do you do? What do you do right now at 70? You bought it for 70. It's worth 70, but now we're back. It's 70, 66, 68, 66. What do? You have two choices. Cut your losses, break even, or hold it for a loss.
And that's the pressure is where those decisions that are made incorrectly come from. So how do we take advantage of the people making the incorrect decision under pressure? So think about a poker player. The number one thing that a professional poker player does besides bankroll management is put the pressure on the other player at all times. That's something that you'll see Andy pipe up here in a second. That's something that amateurs don't think of. Make the other guy make the decision. He'll fuck up before you will because you can statistically prove that he's the one that's going to fuck up before you will.
Yeah.
Because you have the data that gives you the confidence to make the execution. So when he's saying if we bought the shoes for 70, we wake up and they're worth 76, and then all of a sudden after we wake up and they were 76, now they're 63, what the fuck do you do? That's the question you have to answer. The data is what is going to answer it in the future with confidence. G-Man, did I just say that correctly?
Loud and clear, 100% correct.
Okay. I just want to make sure we're not saying it incorrectly, guys. 63 target. Big decision right above 66 here. Playing with them, boys. You could see it. They're playing with them. Come on. Let's get this road on the show.
I still want my 61.25.
I want 51.25.
Master
The good thing is I'm front running you this time. I've got a 63 and a 51.25. What you going to do about it? So what? Big whoop. Want to fight about it?
I got Zach's big round number. 22,900.
Round number.
Bring that 22,900 and we go.
I'm back.
Welcome back,
Gee, why
sir.
can't we just buy more shoes to average down?
That's what they want you to do, Joey. That's what they want you to do.
Yeah. They've got some misprints with the glue on the outside of them, Joey.
That doesn't work. I don't understand.
Hey, look at your track record.
Nikes.
He'll tell you how it worked, like a fart in church.
That's what they want you to do. I got a 5-minute indecision. So big decision right here.
Big decision at 68.75. Too many tails. I think they sell it. Too many tails. I think they sell it.
Yeah, this is gonna sell. This is gonna go lower, but whatever. How do I know?
Yeah, we're not
Look at all
guessing,
those
right?
wicks in 5 minutes.
I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 sell signals in a row after a failed buy signal.
Look at that.
Choppy, choppy.
Choppy, choppy. Lovey. Give me 7, and then give me 7, or go straight to 5-1. Merci.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup. Oh, gap at little 69.75 there. You see that? Oh, by 12. Filled 10 by 12. He just sold it and they pulled the bid. Oh, did you see that? 69.75.
Look at the accumulation on your price, Cam. They love it.
They love it.
Everybody knows that's the price.
Right. And so Cam, it's not, they're going to buy it here. It's going to go up. It's okay. They're accumulating it. Do they continue to accumulate it, or does somebody smack them right in the mouth at 63? See how you never get married to, I see him buying. It's got to go up. What? That's not how this works.
I'm going to reset my bias at 61.25.
Let's go. Give me 63 before your bitch has 61.25.
Hey, you're going to get it.
I am going to get it. They're going to sell all these wicks right here. Ready?
Don't.
You remember the most famous Ewok? What was his name? Does anyone remember? Type it in if you remember.
Order.
You better not be. You said 61.25.
Oh yeah, correct. You know, see all these stops they just ate right here at 66.
Oh, I sure do. Show me more. Oh, he just bought 67. Smack him. There you go. There he goes. There it goes 66. Oh, there it goes 66.
Yeah.
That was sexy. Did you see that? It went 7 by 177, and then 66s went 150 by. He just sold the farm.
Here comes the volume. Here comes the blood.
What was the most famous Ewok's name? I almost just said it. The reason I know it, I've never told you guys this. Besides having a Winnie the Pooh stuffed animal that had his face and his nose ripped off, so he only had eyes, I had a very stuffed, plush, gunned Ewok. What was the most famous Ewok's name? All right, MCQ, thanks for checking in, brother.
Great work, MCQ.
Yeah, absolutely, buddy. You guys remember the story with MCQ? That's our guy. That's our guy that I said, I will not accept your goddamn money. I will not accept your credit card. Sorry, buddy. Remember that?
Yes, they are spanking him belt to ass.
Look at 65s. Look at 65s. Sexy. Lean with it. Rock with it. Roll with it. Old losing Rev thought he just bought big there. So he goes long. He doesn't realize 64s are about to get smoked like a pack of pancakes here.
Belt to ass.
My kids don't even know what that is, bro. Do you realize that? They don't even know what that they don't even know it exists. They know that dad got belt to ass, uncle got belt to ass, but they don't know what it actually is. I've never even threatened them with it. Never. Not once.
My grandmother did not play with me.
Oh man,
that's why I'm such a smooth, extraordinary gentleman, you know? 'Cause she was
You guys hear this? Listen to this.
She was built to ass.
Oh man, my mom would make my dad take me out to the garage, and you could see my dad's face. He's like, "Again, really? Why couldn't you just do what your mother told you to do?" Because I was a jerk. Stop. Oh, there. Oh, he shoots. He scores. Canceling ad orders. Canceling ads. 63 out. 51-25 coming. Thanks for the front run. Let's go. Stop down 78. Stop down 78. Here we go, boys. Here we go. We ride.
Here she comes.
Bring the oil.
Now, here's the deal. Zach, let me ask you a question. Are we supposed to have a target down here, or does this run?
Right now, my bias is it's going to get held up. I think support's good.
Yeah. So start closing into the bottom. Copy.
Yeah, I'm not heavy short.
Copy.
Oh,
one tick Rick.
Keep him rigged. Watch the slip. Here it comes, G. Just tell him you're welcome. Tell him you're welcome.
Order filled.
I heard it. Order filled.
Order filled.
You were front in line, G. You were front in line, bro.
I took it at 61.50 because I didn't like how it bounced.
I see that. And you were front of the line, dude.
Oh, I was put up the 8? Yes, I was put up the 8. Wow. Demure.
He said demure.
Look, I'm gonna send you a picture. You know integrity is what we got over here. So hold on, I'm gonna send you a picture of my exact out.
Oh, hey, no, look, we could hear your order. It said order filled. Or was that somebody else? I think somebody else front ran you on this thing. If not, oh, look at the 64s. Look at the 64s. He's like, oh yeah, guys, let me tell you a little something about that.
Order.
Nice trade.
I'm gonna put the last one to break even at 70, and the rest is free.
Let's go. Yeah, my stop is 78 still. I'm giving this a lot of room, guys. I'm expecting. Well, Zach's saying support, but I've got 51 as the target, so give it to me.
So Kim, what are you doing? You bought it at 70. It's worth 63. What are we doing?
He's buying 64s.
What if they can't hit 57 again?
Then yes.
That's the Man City replay.
Yes. Then it's bullish as hell, right? If we're looking at your work, Joey, where it doesn't get to one of your lines and then it just zooms. But at the same time, what if we go right through 57? Hot knife through a tear.
If NQ can take that round number at 900, oh Jesus. Round number.
Oh man, we're gonna leave the stream on a high note here. I wanna keep the stream on until we hit that target, but we really only have a few minutes left here because it's Friday, and folks, rules are rules. No more trading after this trade for most of you. Okay, don't do it. Boy, they are struggling here, aren't they? Damn. It's quick. Yeah. Yeah.
They can't confirm that 61 on the bottom.
No, they don't have enough inventory above 64 yet.
Yep, the seller's dead. They dying out.
Mm-hmm. And the way that we're talking about that, you can see that, guys. If you just bring up volume, we have a chart that has volume on it, right? Yeah, right here. So look at how the volume is dying as it's coming down, right? So eventually, is it going to just drop off and volume comes up? Or is it going to push and volume comes up? We don't know that answer. We don't guess. See how they just sold it again, G? Look at that. I said above 64, 65. So there they go. Sold it again. Because remember, the algos are going to give you the lick on the up, on the uptick if they're selling. Not on the down tick.
All right, done. Confirmed. Let's go.
There you go. There you go. Good one. Okay, 55 seconds till this next 2-minute bar closes, and you want it below 61.25.
Zach, here comes your 900. Wrong number.
Let's go, Michael Rodriguez. Stay frosty, buddy.
Number right here. Do it.
Yeah, Michael.
He tried to buy that 61 court, just like G was narrating. Let's see what they do with him. 303 by 250. What you got, bitch?
Oh, he bad him.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, bad.
Hey, yeah, bottom. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Here comes that wrong number.
Here comes the boom. Here comes the boom. Ready or not? Round number. Are you saying 6250?
22,900. I'm looking at it in Q.
Oh, in Q. Oh yeah, right there.
Bank. This is, you wanted it?
Hey. It's I have an alarm that's telling me I have to stop this stream. Elijah will be the determining factor as to whether I keep this going while we watch this trade or not. And I absolutely did not take my meds an hour ago like I was supposed to. Nice, Rev. Nice. Good job. Great job, everybody, today. Are you guys finding it easier? I know sometimes we talk over each other, which is fine, right? But are you guys finding it easier to kind of navigate the market because you've got a big boy in here, you got a whale, okay, and then you got two guys that have learned the same structure as you, and then you got me, the guy that showed the structure, right? So, and then the other guys that are going to come cycling through. Ryan has his algos and stuff like that, but it should be easier for you guys to follow along here in the next few days. I think they hammer this, guys. Look at the tape.
What I have
old losing Rev started going, hey, Zach, look. Hey, Zach, look. Zach, look. Look, Zach. They're buying. And it goes... Or the opposite. They're selling and it goes... I reserve the right to waffle. He's trying to buy 62.75. Trying is the key word, right? Because remember, when it goes down 5 points, you're going to hear, yeah, bottom. Did you see that the Brandy chick from that show had some work done? And I guess that she's not with that Jared guy and a whole bunch of other stuff. And now she's the big boss of the storage units.
Storage wars?
Yeah. They're hammering this, guys. This is not...
We got good lows right here at the 40. So they took it to where? They took it to 43. If I can get, I want to see this 43 flush and recover.
I'm long 62.50. Let's see. Long went straight to break even. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, I was going to say your stop is tight too. That's a good one.
Yeah. But I went straight to break even. I was like, nah. I'm going to give it to them.
And what's the criteria for this? Is it a fib? Is it 61.8?
Yeah, totally. It touched, but I didn't went in the bottom at 60.50. I waited, and it gave me in the 2 minute it gave me a sword, and bam!
I see it.
Fuck yeah, let's go.
I see
That's
it.
it. Sorry with my cursing.
No, you're good.
Watch
This is what we do. This is real trading, guys. Real trading.
Watch 67.50 for a reaction if we can get there.
And if we don't get there, number. They did accumulate the 62s.
Yeah, whatever. It'll be what it,
Sell the 65s.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I mean it's now. See, listen, guys. Cam is long, and the rest of us are short, so we can both win.
Yes, 100%.
And we can both
There's enough
lose.
wrench for everybody.
We all already won. We won already.
Yeah,
And
65
some
over under.
contracts here. All right.
Nice,
Whatever.
Cam.
Got one left.
Good luck. It's a good trade because you got a lot of tape coming in here. Either they're gonna take it or they're not. And then you have a hard target at like 70 quarter. Just in the fact that it's a high to high trend line.
They're loving it here.
They're loving it.
Nom.
They're eating it, boys. They're eating it. Nom 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 nom. Nice exit, Cam. Nice stop, Cam. Good way to play it. Great job.
Coming for me.
Yep.
Out.
Good. Great trade,
All right.
buddy. Yeah.
All good.
Perfect.
The footprint is
So now
cooking.
think about all of you guys, those of you on the mics and those of you in the stream. I want you to think about this. Because Cam knows that we're short, he sees his signal. I like it. 61.8. Great. Okay. But here's the thought. He got to move his stop up completely because he knows that there's some guys that actually can read the tape that are trading against him. So he's like, oh, nope, I'm not going to fuck around. Here we go. Minimal risk. Boom. Right? Think about it. That's what a pit is. You guys are missing. That's what the pit is. That's what this chat room is. You think I didn't just hand select people out of this thing for fucking shits and giggles? Are you out of your mind? Guys, folks, ladies and gentlemen, bigger picture. There's no live pits anymore. You're in the pit. Watch the weak traders, watch the strong traders, follow the strong traders, fade the weak traders. Let's go. 125. 125 over under. And 68.75 over under. And Cam, you're not the weak trader. It's not what I was saying.
Well, I have been.
You
I have
were,
been that guy
but bro,
a lot,
we all were.
Like, no offense.
We all were.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We were all that
good.
guy, and if we think that we're not that guy, and our results show that we are that guy, which one is right? Is it the results or is it your opinion? I'm going to say it's the results. I'm going to say it's your trading account is what I'm going to say. So, not yours, the trading account. They are toying with him here, guys.
Indecision. Let's see what they do here. We're right here.
It's too obvious.
I see the support. It's really strong. But
Yeah.
want what I would like to see is the sweep of that 62.50.
Here it comes.
If we can sweep that 63 to like 33, 35,
Bohica.
I would really salivate.
Bohica. They need to refuel. Look at where we're at on the 30-second chart, right in the middle of everything.
Snake mouth. Okay. So two things happening right now. The price is not $70 no more. Now the price is $66.
I see what you're saying. I see why you say that. Okay.
So it's
I see why you say that now.
you're losing value. So what do we do?
Yeah,
We take it lower?
Yeah. So it's easier to see on like the 30-second chart. Isn't that kind of what you're seeing? Ooh, I have a buy signal here. What the fuck?
You should look at your 30-second. You see how
Oh, I
wide
am.
it's still under.
Yeah, I am. Yeah, I see it.
Is this the trap?
Was that enough draw on the 30 at
big stuff.
61.75?
Oh, man.
High to high on the 5 minutes coming up.
If you can't see the trap,
You might
Looks
be
like
in it.
you're it. You're it.
Mhm.
Should have
I'm out.
stayed in, Cam.
I'm
I
flat.
should have stayed in. Whatever. It's all good. It's all good.
I'm full.
It was risky. Too risky.
Decision right here. High to high. Do they take it to 75 first, or do they take it straight back down to 61?
On the clear 71.
Yeah, they got to clear 71. They cleared 71.
That was a good
Yeah,
move.
they didn't get 57.
My balls hurt from watching this shit.
All right, folks. We'll. I got to end the stream here. So we'll let you know. We'll let you know how the rest of it goes. Those of you on the mic, you can stay around. Thanks. We'll see everybody. We'll see everybody Sunday night for the review and rev up. We'll see you Monday. Good night.